All right, let's go outside and talk about the tropic skies. We do have Tropical Storm Nate out there, likely going to strengthen throughout the day today. It has emerged back over open water after traversing Nicaragua and Honduras yesterday. Water's very, very warm in this area, and the latest update as of 5 o'clock from the National Hurricane Center has it traveling pretty much due north, a kind of straightforward forecast track here, possibly impacting areas around Cozumel and Cancun by tonight and into tomorrow, and then it moves into the Gulf of Mexico. Also very, very warm waters for this time of the year, strengthening into a Category 1 storm before possibly making landfall somewhere around New Orleans late Saturday night into early Sunday morning. I think this may be a conservative estimate on how strong it is, just due to the fact that the waters are so warm there. There's so much available energy for the storm to use to organize itself and strengthen. So we'll watch it closely. But once it makes landfall, you notice that curve to the north and east, a cold front coming on in. It's going to absorb it and kind of tear it apart too. And that'll bring us some remnant rainfall, although the majority of it likely going right up along the spine of the Appalachian Mountains. Still a few showers here likely late Sunday through Monday and Tuesday. Here's all the computer models on a very good consensus, all very tightly together here as it heads north towards the Gulf Coast of the United States, right over New Orleans, the majority of those, and then all showing that curve off to the north and east here. Out ahead of it, we already have hurricane watches posted for the Louisiana coastline along the Gulf Coast, and on either side bookending it, tropical storm watches up as well. Those will likely be upgraded to a warning as we get a little bit closer to the event. Landfall likely there late Saturday night. So high pressure off the coastline right now that's driving our winds in out of the south to southwest, which is why we've been so warm. And today will be no change. 62 degrees outside right now, a dew point of 61. Some fog has developed as a result of those numbers being rather close together. 2.5 mile visibility in Ahoskie, 3 miles Elizabeth City, and still at a half a mile down in Chesapeake. Through FUTURECAST today, not a whole lot going on. A lot of sunshine, warm temperatures, especially for this time of the year. And then tomorrow, we'll start to see a few more clouds making it into our sky, especially the farther west you are, but still very, very warm, and I think we stay dry on Saturday. It's really Sunday. Those clouds thicken up and they lower, and a few isolated showers may make it into our area by later in the day. 85 today, though, mostly sunny, warm, a bit more humid. Tonight we drop back to 68. Much warmer than where we were just at the earlier part of this week when some spots were in the 40s. Not the case this weekend, though. 86 out there on Saturday, mostly to partly cloudy. And warm. 84 on Sunday, more clouds and an isolated shower chance later on in the day. And on the other side of the weekend, we keep that rain risk around, dependent on exactly where the rainfall from Nate goes.